Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Hyundai Elantra side mirror. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement mirror for your specific Elantra model. Working in a well-lit, safe area will make the process much easier and help prevent any accidental damage. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool. This will expose the mirror's mounting bolts and electrical connection. Once the panel is off, carefully disconnect the electrical wire harness from the old mirror. Finally, use your screwdriver to remove the 3 mounting bolts that secure the mirror to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe for later. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new side mirror onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Secure it tightly using the 3 mounting bolts you saved earlier. Next, reconnect the electrical connector to ensure all mirror functions, like power adjustment and heating, will work. Before putting the door panel back, test the mirror's movement and any other features to confirm proper operation. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap firmly into place. Give the new mirror a gentle shake to confirm it's securely mounted and doesn't wobble. Test its power adjustments and any other features one last time. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your Hyundai Elantra side mirror, saving time and money.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.